Look at him.
Sorry, I was having my hands out of my pockets for Uncle Pete.
What happened here?
What do you mean, what happened here? What's that?
What did you got here?
I'd just like to start off by saying that this episode is proudly sponsored by TRT Mechanical. Hold on, you gotta get the back. Gotta get the back.
Go get it back. For all your truck repair and mechanical needs.
TRT Mechanical is my little brother Tobe, who features heavily in this episode. We drove to Mudgee. That was our round trip for the doors. The only problem with the doors was it come with another 2 vans.
Oh,
So, this isn't the extent of the collection yet.
I like how you've got the extended wheelbase on this one.
Altered wheelbase.
Altered, yeah.
Ryan Ford would be proud.
How much? So motor back over there?
Yeah, down there somewhere.
Yeah, right, gotcha.
To give you a bit more of a backstory, I needed doors for this van.
Well, it's got a door on it now.
It's got a door on it, yeah. The problem is the doors come with another 2 vans and there was no way around that. So here we are.
So we're going on another road trip, are we?
It was 3 AM to 10 PM the other night with Tobe. So,
Christ, it was 10 PM when we got here.
yeah, look, it was a big day. So thanks to Tobe for tagging along. Now there's a bit of footage that I took with my phone because Tom had the GoPro. To fill you in, Tobe's favourite movie as a kid was The Nugget, and The Nugget was also filmed in Mudgee. So there's a few little Nugget references in there. If you've seen the movie, you'll get them.
What's...
What time is it?
15 minutes past 3.
Where are we off to?
We're off to Mudgee today to pick up car parts for you.
Come from Bedford doors.
Yeah,
Got a car trailer about, don't we?
we do.
What's that mean?
We're bringing one home again.
Alright. Bit of a goat track here. We just passed many of the goats actually. Very scenic route, but no Tobe.
Yeah, very. Watch out for rocks here.
Oh yeah, rocks on the road. Look at that one. What have you found yourself here? Is that another Bedford?
2. Not 1, but 2.
Did you buy it?
No, I didn't know.
Who did?
You did, again.
How we load it? What do you got going on here?
Using my frame with your cars again. Lucky I fixed the crane.
Lucky I helped you all week with your truck. Come on.
Yeah.
12 months apparently. Yeah. What do you got there?
Fixed grill.
It's like I didn't feed you all day.
Yeah. I'd macaron. I paid for the macaron too.
So hard done by.
Yeah.
I'll take the bottom driveway. Where are we?
We're at the takeaway / thing park when they park.
The Busy Bee. Fill it up.
Oh, we'll get some fuel in this.
Dreams do come true, don't they?
Oh, you could say that.
What do you got?
There you go. Here's your hamburger with the light. No beetroot, tomato sauce, and 2 cans of drink.
$2.40 short. You're $2.40 short.
You always cock the order up.
We're multi-millionaires.
What's the code word for today then?
Nugget.
The big nugget or
Nah, just the nugget.
So what's the go with the blue van?
Blue van's just another van.
Looks a little bit better than the white van.
Does look a little bit better in the pillars in the white van. So we'll get the third one back and pick and choose the bits to build.
Oh Jesus, look out viewers.
But yeah, pick the best bits between the
Latch is perfect too. Okay. That's good. Best bit between the two, eh?
best bit between three.
Is that the bit you're leaning on or?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
And we'll build one out of three, I guess, and probably put one together and sell it on to someone else that wants to see a Bedford van.
Is it like the Meatloaf song?
Meatloaf song.
Yeah, 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
2 out of 3 ain't bad. Probably. One will probably end up in scrap. Unfortunately.
Alright. Well, there you go.
So enjoy the ride to Mudgee to get 2 vans.
And back.
Get a van.
A little bit of footage from the unload too.
Yeah,
And the reposition though.
Toe got bogged.
Which time?
We got bogged twice. The forklift also got bogged today, moving it. So
Oh, that's all. What are the viewers got to do?
like, subscribe, comment.
Hit the notification button. It's here.
Yeah, it's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Just hit like at least. It does help us. And make sure you subscribe.
Alright.
Cars aren't built on dreams.
See you next time on Backyard Builds.
See ya. You're just doing a bit of ground restoration work there, are you?
Yeah, it's like a golf course out here. Pristine green.
Do you want to talk about the rest of the fleet while we're here or not?
Sure, we can ask our viewers, do you want to see more of this? More of those? Or some of that?
Because there's this,
There's more than one here.
what's in your backyard, which no one's actually seen,
Yeah, we're working on that.
and then what's in my backyard.
Everyone's seen that.
Not all of it.
No, not all of it. It's also what's at your storage shed.
Yeah. Fuck it.
If you want to see more, comment. If you want to see some of the collection that I've got, some of the collection that Zach's got. If you want to see around the sheds, tell us. We don't know what to film. We're just out here being idiots.
We're just doing
It's
us.
just, yeah, you do you, bro.
Typical Sunday afternoon. What else would you be doing?
Oh,
Playing golf.
trying to fix a car.
Yeah.
We want to watch two blokes replace every rusty panel on a Valiant.
Yeah, Michael.
Yeah, viewers.
That was Tom's brother. Comment when we started.
Yeah. Alright.
Leave it with you.